Fusion Basics for Idiots. Today's video is sponsored by those who are always complaining about free stuff. First of all, for the super idiots, this is the Fusion page. By dragging the node to the left or the right viewer, you can preview on that window the effects that are applied till that node. You can drag it, or use the number 1 or 2 on your keyboard. For those who will complain as always, this is the keyboard. This is very useful in case you have a node that you want to see the changes that you are doing, and in the second window you see the final results. If you have troubles playing back an effect, right-click to the playback panel, uncheck the high quality and the motion blur, and check the proxy. This will not turn your lame Windows into a NASA computer, but in some cases can be useful. To bring up the tool's search window, hit Command and Space, type in the tool that you want and select it to bring it into the flow. For Windows users, it's time to buy a Mac. Let's say that you have this super animation. You can grab this green line and change the path of the animation by moving the point or by adding some more. Hit this Select All Points icon, and then the Smoothness icon, to make your path smoother. Open the spline window, check the node that you animated, and you can see which parameters are animated by this purple dot. Hit the Zoom to Fit button, select the keyframe, and adjust the handles to make your animation smoother. Open the keyframe window, and hit the Zoom to Fit button again. As you can see, this looks like a typical timeline with layers. You can see the text layer, and below you can see the transform node with the keyframes. Expand the transform node so that you can adjust the keyframes also. Trim down the layer and place it on the part of the timeline that you want. Select the keyframes and move them to match the new size. Adjust the position of the keyframes if you want to change the duration of the animation. If you have a node that you want to change the position of it, just hold down the Shift button, drag it and place it in the part that you want. If you have a couple of clips that you are working in the Fusion page, you don't need to go back in the Edit page. Activate the Clips icon on the top menu, and now you can navigate through the clips like you do in the Color page. Let's say that you have a mask and you are like me, and your eyes are not the best. Right-click to the Preview window, go to Options and uncheck the Checker Underlay. I hope now people will stop complaining, but I don't think so.